In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Monday.com. Before we jump in, here's the quick big picture. Connecting HubSpot with Monday.com lets you keep sales and project data aligned, reduce manual updates, and trigger automations that move work forward as your contacts, companies, or deals change. For a smooth setup, make sure you can access the Monday.com board you plan to sync, you have permission to use integrations, and you can sign in to your HubSpot account. It also helps to know which fields you want to keep in sync, like contact email, company name, or deal stage. Let's start by opening Monday.com and heading to the trial management board. If it's not pinned or visible in your workspace, use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once the board is open, take a quick look at the columns you already have, such as status, people, date, or text, because these are the fields you'll be able to map to HubSpot properties. A little alignment here saves time later and helps prevent mismatched data. Next, click Integrate in the top right corner of the board. This opens Monday.com's Integration Center, where you manage and add connections to external tools. If you don't see the Integrate option, you may need the right permissions from your workspace admin. When the Integration Center loads, you'll find a catalog of apps and recipes. Think of them as ready-made automation blueprints. Now choose HubSpot and pick a template that fits your workflow. You can search for HubSpot or select it from the featured apps, then browse the pre-built templates. Templates typically read like simple rules. For example, when a contact is created in HubSpot, create an item in this board, or when a deal stage changes, update a status in Monday.com. Select the one that best reflects what you want to happen. At this point, Monday.com will prompt you to connect your HubSpot account if it's not already linked. Approve the connection so the two platforms can talk to each other securely. After choosing the template, configure the recipe details. This usually includes selecting the correct board and group, mapping HubSpot properties to the right Monday.com columns, and adjusting any filters or conditions so only the records you care about sync. Be mindful of directionality. Many recipes are one way, and setting up multiple overlapping recipes can create duplicates. When you're happy with the mapping, turn the recipe on. To finish, create or update a single record in HubSpot that meets your template's conditions and confirm it appears or updates correctly in your trial management board. If something doesn't look right, edit the recipe, adjust the field mapping, and try again. That's it. Your HubSpot and Monday.com integration is live.